Hi, welcome to Yoga Today. My name is LIZA COLPA. In this meditation, we'll be using visualization affirmations to manifest boundaries from a place of love. When we manifest boundaries from a place of truth and love, we honor our true, authentic nature. We manifest healthy support systems that allow us to be who we truly are.
This is a meditation to manifest boundaries without guilt. In this meditation, we'll be exploring different affirmations that can be used as tools for you to establish boundaries from a place of love, self-love, kindness, and confidence. In this meditation, we'll practice releasing guilt and honoring our needs to be the best version of ourselves. Understanding that when we set boundaries, we are saying, I love you, but I also love me. So let's go ahead and take a nice comfortable seated position, or come to lie on down, coming to close the eyes, or simply focusing a gentle gaze on something in front of you. Breathe in naturally and deeply. And sigh out, releasing any thoughts that don't serve you. Clearing your mind. Just allow yourself to be present in the here and the now. Begin to tune deeply into your breath, noticing where it starts and how far it can go till you cannot take in any more air. Exhaling, noticing how far you can exhale until you need to breathe in again. Noticing again, without judgment or criticism, that the edges of our breath also have their limitations. Continue to explore the edges of your breath, where the breath begins and where it ends. Begin to imagine a time, or maybe multiple times, when you felt your boundaries were not met or being honored by yourself or others. Notice without judgment or criticism what emotions come up around those memories. Observe these emotions like you are collecting data without judgment or criticism, so your feelings can be clues, so you can recognize when you may feel overwhelmed or overstretched. Breathe on in and sigh out. Take a moment to breathe compassion into yourself, breathing that compassion down to your toes, your knees, your legs and belly. Breathing into the chest, the arms, jaw, neck, face, all the way to the crown of the head. And while you are breathing compassion into yourself, ask yourself, what boundary did I need? What boundaries do I still need? Visualize with compassion what you would like to continue to put boundaries on. Visualize what boundaries you need. Taking a moment to honor the boundaries that you need to place within your life to live authentically, without guilt. Knowing you are doing it for yourself, but also for those that you love. And repeat these affirmations after me. The boundaries I place are from love and self-compassion. The boundaries I place are from love and self-compassion. Honoring my boundaries is honoring my authentic self. Honoring my boundaries is honoring my authentic self. Taking care of me first gives me strength to take care of others. Taking care of me first gives me strength to take care of others. I am worthy of healthy boundaries that allow me to grow. I am worthy of healthy boundaries that allow me to grow. I accept others' boundaries. I accept others' boundaries. I cannot make everyone happy. I cannot make everyone happy. I cannot control others' reactions. I cannot control others' reactions. Those who love me are not threatened by my boundaries. Those who love me are not threatened by my boundaries. I can say no without fear or guilt. I can say no without fear or guilt. I know my boundaries. I know my boundaries. I set boundaries from a place of love. I set boundaries from a place of love. Recognize the love and authenticity that blooms from within you. You are worthy of this truth. You are worthy of honoring your authenticity, and you are loved. Inhale and exhale. From this place of strength, authenticity, and confidence, begin to set an intention to honor this vision of setting boundaries without guilt, without fear. Set an intention to honor people's emotions, wants, and needs while still honoring your own. And finally, set an intention to place boundaries exactly where you need them to be from a place of love. Enjoy this newfound freedom, guilt-free. You are worthy. You are enough. And you are exactly where you are meant to be. Have an amazing day, afternoon, or night, my friend. Blessings and namaste.